Just give her a good rub down her back. There you go. So ma'am, here's the question. Is Sophie nice? Bait ba si Sophie? Yes. So since you are Sophie's new best friend, she would like to give you a very special treat, and that is a big, wet, juicy, fishy kiss. Alright, now before you do it, I will show you first how it's done. All you have to do is move closer, offer your cheek like this, and she will give you a gentle kiss. Alright, now it's her turn. Come on, offer your cheek. Hold it and look at the camera. One more time. There you go. Okay. Good job, Sophie. So now, how was the kiss? Did you like it? Yeah. So let's put it this way. If we're going to rate Sophie's kiss on the scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best kiss we ever had, but with 10, wow, perfect score. Good job, Sophie. So are you saying that Sophie's kiss is even better than your special someone's kiss? Is it better? Yeah. Is there a special someone around? Is there? That's raise your hand. Raise your hand. There you go. Well, you know what? Sophie here has a message for you, and what's that, Sophie? Okay, what is it, Sophie? He thinks it's better. She thinks it's better, sir. Of course, we're just getting out of because for our lucky guests, you may not take your seat back and enjoy the rest of the show. Before you, Sophie, you may now go back to our challenger. Sir Jeff, right this way. Now, Sir Jeff, this time, let's start. Not yet. Well, Officer, I think Sophie here needs some warm-up. Yes, Officer. Okay. Warming up. Okay, how about okay, let's ask Sophie again. Hey Sophie, are you ready? Yeah. She's ready to go, so Sir Jeff, that means you need to do some warm-up as well. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not like that. You have to do it. See like that. Hands on the seat. Come on, sir. And follow my hand, of course. Mr. Government Advisor. Okay, sir, ready? Go! There you go! That's right, your answer. Of course, massage. And back massage. Now, sir, are you ready? Okay. Now, folks, Sophie is ready. Sir Jeff is ready. Let the games begin. Round 1. Now, Sir Jeff, I'm sorry, guys. He's the only score in this round. All you got to do is very easy. And of course, okay, Sir Jeff. It's your turn, sir. Hi, sir. Officer. Sir, remember what I said? Like a sea lion, hands on the floor. Officer. Good job, sir. Ready? Turn. Alright. There is going go. Good job, Sir Jeff. Okay, looks like we're ready for the second round. Officer, can we make a little bit harder this time? Yes, officer. Okay. Sir. Officer, do we have any other options? Okay. Now, sir, we have other options for you. All you have to do is lie down and go over. Alright, sir, let's do this again, sir. Okay, sir, yes, sir. Dito po tayo sa dito, sir. Okay, sir, Jeff, the floor is wet and it's all yours. Apat, sir. Okay, job, sir. Ready and go over. Looks like we have a winner this time. still okay. Now tell me, would you like to see more? Is that it, folks? You can do better than that. Would you like to see more? Okay, you got it. Third final round. Certainly one last round from a cook. Okay, parties around all you have to do is stay right here. Okay. Now, so what you want to go to do? Stay right there. Now, third parties around all you have to do is stop. And stop. Right before the end. Third going through. Volunteer to finish the challenge. Yes, sir. Okay. Folks, how about some encouragement for Sir Jeff? Come on. Sir, they're all cheering for you. You need to finish this. Yes, sir. Slide this up before we get it. Right. You need some help. Okay, now folks, this side, I want you to count with me, okay? Now ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, Sir Jeff, just slide. Slide and stop, not slide and swim. But folks, I think that's the end of our challenge. How about a round of applause for Sir Jeff? Okay, Sir Jeff, thank you so much for your cooperation. Well, you've shown your passion and dedication to be part of the Silang Bird Patrol. And for that, that's something you're, of course, close your eyes, sir. We have a juicy fish. I'm sorry, Sir Edward, you can eat it now, go ahead. I'm just kidding, you can give it back to Sophie. Let's toss the fish. That's it. Sir, yes, sir. Sir. And toss. Good job, sir. Now, sir, since you're all wet, of course, you have a shirt, short, and slippers from the gift shop, all for free. Wow, this is a nice. Sir, Sophie, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Albert, for the honor, sir.
Here is Grizzly. Oh, thank you. There's a design. You can. Yeah, it's okay. That's so cool. Okay, this is the way. How about look at this? So lovely. Wow, good job. Here. So be that. The 5 baby fortress? No, straight down. No, see that at the top. With a few ideas we would like to show you. For now, we can take better care of playing therapy. Here's one. Our sea lions who want to remind us that while crossing the ocean, they also reach their home. Making this hungry and extremely dangerous. Do you know the disgusting part here? Could you? You're not? Yes. Whales, doodles, dolphins, sea lions, sea turtles, and other animals. This is all of disgusting part. You can joke and laugh. Wild crazy lines and pieces of nets that in the ocean can give us thousands of current animals every year. These will get back around their necks in the rivers and can cause great damage. That's right. The broken river like this. And this is gonna be painful. Like I said, nets left behind are extremely dangerous. Anyone like Sophie, get a tablet and snap, and see what will happen next. How to dare you find out suddenly? Oh my God. So sad. Wow, we don't get to watch. How can we grab the bus? We're so cute. Now, the vehicle observation is the record always represents that we are. So when the first part is reduced, so when this and that crash, you may by 5 moments of larger cycles. Now folks, did you all know that these forcible loans here are equal to a big one, so you better bag the figure of the fourth. For the next RC ones we have to read slowly. We're going to second box we have here. Yes, for use. Use items like bags, boxes, and bottles whenever you can. And use a great tip software canvas that can make weight usually bad if you can even save on paper than plastic. Great software me. Top up we have that idea lots the last hour. This cycle up here, so let's see if you're right. And for the last hour, yes, you are correct. Recyclable materials like aluminum, paper, glass, and even a plastic container just like that one. And that's so cute. Show you how. There's something you're supposed to container on the water how you're going to do it. Listen, shake this up and take it short. You just put the button. The mirrors, besides this, that's so very good. Yeah. As you can see, cleaning out of them such a simple thing. So that our leader and environment so much, so ours started to do it so good. The officer vows he got so this right together and function. However, we would like to see something else. Okay, come on, girls, whenever you are ready, you speak up. Here's your It's just Murphy. There you go, that was loud at me. So folks, we have an idea of what they said? Oh no, well you don't have to word because Officer Doctor understands C1 language. Yes, I'm not in the circuit of the service. So let's make cabinet Day. So well, now we're making a calculation order that bacon towards the better. The officer, yes, officer, I think that we celebrate. Well, it's a great idea. I'm celebrating solve guns in. How folks, please put your hands together for glory. Selfie after and rock them up, rock your Hindi mo tata eh. Ano? Here's a mouth, yeah. Don't go. Put your hands together. Sorry. Now I'll be hand over to you to those who advise me you like to say thank you. Please like the series today that goes for all pro. Please don't visit the crowd. So,
Salute the siya!
we are working hard to protect our precious marine resources. So please, you have help. Once again, down to the point tower price about most of the nature. That is a basic animal. Bye everyone. Bye. C1 further encounter, needed in program, and 3-day session. If you are interested, please approach our graphic photographers. Kayo ka, parang napicturean ko ito. Mamaya pa daw. Sabi ko nga daw, mamaya pa.